You all have been hearing about the BLESS Network, but some of you do not really know what the BLESS Network hype is all about. Now, in this video, I'm going to break everything down to you, starting with what the BLESS Network is really all about, the tokenomics, backing, and then of course the TGE, which is coming very soon. Now, if you've not started mining BLESS Network at all, if you've been fading it for a very long time, I think it is time to get locked in. But anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Inoko Kaito and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. Without wasting further time, as you guys can see on my computer, this is the BLESS Networks page on Twitter, and it says the world's first shared computer. Now, if you do not know already, BLESS Network is a DePIN, which stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructural Network. What do we get in return for sharing our data? It will be incentivized. And now in this case, for those people running the DePINs on their Google Chrome browsers, or those people that are running the extensions, you will be credited with time rewards. Now, at the end of the day, the time rewards will be converted into BLESS tokens at TGE. Now we've gone already a step further. I mean, that was very juicy. I had to tell you guys straight away, but let's get right into it. Now, of course, you guys can see this is the page of the BLESS Network. If you guys look over here, up here, I'm already running the extension. I've been running the extension for a very long time, probably 6 months or 7 months ago, because I made this video already a very long time ago as a compilation. Most of you already joined through the video. About 58 of you joined through the video a very long time ago, but it's not still too late, and I'm going to still share a couple of tips that you guys can use to actually rack up a whole lot of compute, or let's say time, in a very short period of time, because I know the TGE is coming very, very soon. I'm going to open the dashboard so that you guys can see everything. So this is mine, BLESS World Shared Computer. To join the platform, all you need to do is just download the extension from the Google Chrome extension place. Just search for BLESS. Now, they've managed to raise over $8 million and they are backed by solid projects in the ecosystem. I mean, that's not just even it. They are also on the current SocialFi and InfoFi platforms, which is Kaito, and they are rewarding loads of the yappers, people that are going to be talking about the BLESS Network on Twitter. They're going to reward, the leaderboard, about top 500 or top 1,000 with huge BLESS tokens. So it is very, very insane. Now, as you guys can see, this is my dashboard. All you need to do is click, for example, if you're just joining, the link will be in the description below. Just click on it, you download the extension, and then you set it up. That is it. Very, very simple. That's what makes it beautiful. I mean, that's what makes DePINs beautiful in general. All you need to do is just download the DePIN and you leave it, and it keeps running and running. For example, this is my own dashboard. Today's time, I've contributed 15 hours, 36 minutes. Total participation time, 497 days. If we click onto the extension here, which says BLESS, you guys are going to see over here, it says working. So it means I'm currently working. My compute power or compute strength is currently sharing something to somebody out there. It's being outsourced out there. Now, what is the usefulness of projects like this? Now, if you're a developer, if you are someone that wants to create something, or if you want to even run just little nodes, or you want to run little terminals, normally our go-to terminals, our go-to projects would be like the AWS, the Amazon service, the cloud services, where you pay a huge amount of money for that. But now with a decentralized system where we are donating our computers, using it as a shared computer of impossible and unlimited compute, it is insane. It is very insane. This will be cheaper, and at the end of the day, we could actually also participate and use this for our own projects. I hope that would be a use case in the future. Probably we can also use our time tokens to actually, get access to some of the cloud servers. I mean, not cloud server, but our decentralized DePIN. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Now, the next thing we wanted to talk about basically is the BLESS Tokenomics. And as you guys can see, we have everything here. This is the article they posted on Twitter, and then it is just interesting. We have two major tokens that we're going to be talking about. First of all, as you guys can see, the time token and the BLESS token. BLESS token is the protocol token, which is going to be the real token, which the tokenomics is currently out for. Time is what we earn for running the nodes, for running the extensions. Time is what we get. Now, as you guys can see, say time reward token is capped at 100 million per epoch. So there'll be different epochs. So epoch 1, I mean, you guys are conversant with Grass, NodePay, and the rest. So different epochs, we're going to have 100 million time per epoch. So that is the only amount that we can get. So then we're going to earn that for contributing to the shared computer, and will be burned when redeemed. For example, as soon as you redeem the time tokens for BLESS, it will be burned immediately. And the next one is BLESS protocol token fixed at 10 billion, used for governance, staking, and capturing value via buyback. So now it is really interesting. Apparently, there was a very interesting thing they said here. Users earn time by contributing. At the end of an epoch, users can convert time to BLESS tokens immediately or with lockups. Apps pay fiat for compute. BLESS uses 90% of that revenue to buy back and burn BLESS. Users can stake BLESS to earn more BLESS. So that is just beautiful. Now I'm going to show you guys something that is actually very beautiful currently, which is the BLESS token allocation. Now it is capped at 10 billion. So we have airdrop, we have community incentives, we have ecosystem foundation advisors, and so on and so forth. But the most important thing here is there will be a regular burning schedule of the BLESS token. So this cap at 10 billion, at the end of the day, after so many epochs, we could be saying something like what? Almost a whole lot of percent will be actually burned out. So almost 2 billion of it, 3 billion of it, depending every epoch as time goes by. So that would be insane. And of course, much more burn increases the scarcity of the token. When the scarcity of this token is really high, it increases the demand for it, which will increase the price, drastically. So that is something lovely that we've been seeing all over here. Of course, the token will not be all released at once. As you guys can see, there's a vesting mechanism, TGE plus 6 months, so TGE plus 84 months. That would be when the 100% total supply will be released, will be unvested, and it's different for different departments. For example, the community zone will be also gradually till the end of 84 months. Liquidity and provision is also very tiny. As you guys can see, it's a regular release across the whole department. Airdrop as well. So I mean, the vesting system is also very solid. I mean, every project out there right now needs a vesting period so that they can protect the integrity of their token. If you release 70% of the token and you do not put any vesting, everybody's going to sell maximum more than 70%, and the token will drop real bad. Bad news for investors, bad news for the token, bad news for the ecosystem. So that is not lovely at all. But of course, we've talked a whole lot about the BLESS and everything. The second thing now I want to share with you guys is, of course, how to be able to maximize your mining. So of course, you guys can see I've managed to accumulate 497 days here. For some people that are just going to be starting currently today or tomorrow, what you can do is, if you have lots of computers at your disposal, all you need to do is download your own profile on these different computers and let the node keep running. So it's multiplied by, let's say, 5 times the computers or 10 times the computers. So of course, you're going to mine faster than somebody like me that is just mining on just one computer. So I think you guys get the more computers you can, the more nodes you can connect to your account, and the more compute you can actually donate, the more time points you are going to earn at the end of the day. Now, to just finish the video, which we're going to finish with the SocialFi connection of the BLESS ecosystem. So I think if you guys come all the way to Kaito, I've spoke about Kaito on this platform on YouTube. It's very difficult to get in. You have to be very dedicated to whatever you're doing. Do it for at least 30 days, well dedicated. Connect with people on Twitter, connect with people on X, join channels, join communities, and then you might actually get your first yap. It's been very difficult. I'm not the Twitter pro person, so it's also very, but I'm just making the video for you guys now. So if you come all the way to BLESS, I just clicked on BLESS, you guys can see these are loads of people that are on the leaderboards, and it is really insane. That is the BLESS X Kaito campaign. Now this is a very huge platform for people that may have a little bit missed out on the BLESS nodes or the BLESS extension or mining BLESS on their computers. But now they have a very huge voice out there on social media, and they can talk about BLESS and at the end of the day get loads of time tokens that can be converted to BLESS tokens at the end of the day. Now this is very huge. Many people are yapping about BLESS already. They're talking about it. As you can see, this is everything, and I'm just going to show you guys how much time is allocated to Kaito yappers. BLESS is giving away 5% of the time token supply over the next 2 months to the top 500 yappers. 50% for community yappers, 50% reserved for the Kaito ecosystem. So it is insane. It is insane. This is a whole lot of tokens that would be given to yappers. So if you can manage to find yourself on the Kaito the blessed Kaito leaderboard, you're winning already. Trust me, you are winning. 500 people only can make this, so it is a game for the fittest. So I'm not going to advise you to put all your eggs in this basket. Please try also to run the nodes, fix that one at the side, then now also try to engage and see if you can actually make the leaderboard. It is not so difficult, but it's also difficult at all because you have to give quality posts about BLESS Network, and of course people have to interact with your post for you to even earn a yap. It is difficult, but it is doable. So do not get discouraged. But I mean, at this point, I think we're going to come to the end of the video. That is basically everything I wanted to speak about. The BLESS Network is going really huge DePIN out there. The first shared supercomputer, and the use cases are numerous. Backing is solid. So of course, I think you guys should need to actually look into this. And if you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. I'll be waiting to reply you right away. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to smash that like, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day and peace.